So that was pretty awesome. I got a little shot of an actual grosbeak sitting in the tree. And then it only took about 5 minutes for the chickadees to find my hand. And even though there was seeds still on the shelf of the bird feeder, you could hear them flitting around me, dive bombing me, trying to see if I was a threat or not. And then you just got to stand there super still and be patient. Don't even blink, and they will come and eat out of your hand. It's just amazing. Like their little feet are just so cool touching my hand. I love the chickadees. They are my favorite little bird. I like how they don't fly in a straight line, and they're fat little things, and they're so cute. And their wings just make the best sound when they fly, kind of a sound. I love the chickadees. And we saw a nuthatch too, I think. The little blue bird. He's kind of blue and brown and black and gray. I think that's a nuthatch. And yeah, sometimes you'll see them on your feeder. They eat upside down, which is kind of neat. But yeah, you can see we don't have very much snow right now. It's about minus, I'm going to say it's about -10 with the wind chill, because there is a breeze. And I tell you, my fingers were getting a little numb. Without my gloves on for 5 minutes, my fingers were feeling numb. So anyways, let's go put our bird seed away. Oh, I think that's a raven. Let's see if we can see him. He's up in that tree somewhere. They make quite a funny sound. Oh, there he is. Squawking at me. Or is that a blue jay? It's a blue jay. Oh my goodness, I hope he comes down. Can't get a good shot of him from here. But he's giving me heck. He says, "You're too close to the feeder, lady." Maybe he'll fly down to the feeder if I'm really still and quiet. No, he flew away. Darn, I can hear his voice going away. Anyways, yep, there's not much snow. The weather's quite warm. You can see lots of deer tracks down into the little meadow. Oh, maybe he will come back. He's kind of getting closer now. I'll just stand here and see. Zoom in. Oh. Could be that there's two of them and they're talking to each other. Or did he fly away? I think he flew away. Yeah, it's a gray day today. Very gray. Kind of gloomy. It's probably gonna rain or something. Anyways, oh, sorry. It's really hard to film and walk through snow at the same time. Oh, and I'm still zoomed. No wonder it's such a rocky ride for you. Okay, I'll shut this off and go put my seeds away. What is with all the traffic today? Sheesh. The road is not usually this busy. I'm trying to get a better shot of that blue jay. They are very standoffish of me. They don't like me being this close to their food. So I don't know if he'll come back. But the chickadees are so friendly. They're just the most trusting of all the little birds. And our woods were just completely quiet 2 weeks ago because we hadn't been feeding them. And I come outside and I'm like, there's no birds chirping. There's no bird song. It made me sad. So I begged my husband, please, let's buy some bird seed, please. I want to feed the birds again. I want the birds in my yard. I want to hear their sweet little voices when I go outside. And he reluctantly bought a bag for about, I think it cost him $45 for a 10 kg bag. And that's a lot of money, hey? And they go through it so fast. But I said, you know what? I don't drink and I don't smoke, so let me buy birdseed. And he said, don't lie, you do drink. I said, okay, I don't smoke. So, anyway. I love the birds. I think they're just amazing. How they survive in the cold. There's one, different one. It's just a different type of chickadee, a little different coloring. Not your typical black and white and gray. He had brown on him. Oh. There's the nuthatch. They're a little bit bigger than a chickadee, eh? You can hear a woodpecker. I don't know where he is. Close by. Oh, there he is. Look at that. Oh, he's a handsome little fella. You should get one of those trail cam things and park it on the tree nearby and just video my bird feeder all day. I wonder what would show up that I don't even get to see. Anyways, I'm supposed to be going for a walk. Here I am, not moving. Oh, that blue jay's way up high in the tree. There, you can hear the squirrel beaking off about something. Lots of nuts. Can't talk. Lots of nuthatches. That's good. They're happy. The little birds are happy. That woodpecker, he's really working on that tree. Anyways, I guess I should walk. Wasn't that awesome? I walked around my yard for about half an hour. I walked around our property, our yard site, 10 times. And our yard site is about an acre. So 10 times 1 is 10. 10 acres I walked. So I'm going to say that's about 100,000 steps, right? So I did my exercise for today. So now I'm back in my craft room. This is what we made yesterday. So I'm going to move those out of the way. And now I want to work on something with all these strips. And I can't make this, oh geez, whoops. Clayton went flying. Oh gosh, I can't make this video, there's Clayton, remember? Can't make this video as long as I did yesterday because, that took a long time to upload. Woohoo! An hour is too long. So I got my strips that I picked out, and you had seen I had previously arranged them. So I'm just gonna put them back. Actually, I'm not even gonna put them back. Let's just glue these babies down. Yeah, it was pretty cool having the birds eat out of my hands. I love that. I love being up close to nature. Not the bears or the skunks, but the birds, yes. I love the birds. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Oh, I shouldn't have glued all the way along there because it's really gonna stick to my, what's this thing called? You know, my thingamajig. Craft mat. I'll just cut this off really quick. Next time I won't put as much glue on the next strip. Oops. Oh, that was a terrible cut. That's okay. We're going to straighten everything out after. This is probably just going to be a tag, or it could be a journaling card. Okay, let's try this again. Let's get organized here. I'm all discombobulated. I'm all my thoughts are full of the birds. So, oh, didn't I just say I'm not going to do that? Oh, okay, get it together, lady. Let's cut that piece off. Oh, now my husband's come in. Well, not now. I'm crafting. Not now. Okay, this time, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get real smart. I'm going to go like that. And I'm going to tear it about there. Hello. Okay, I will be right with you. Good thing I'm making a short video. I'm needed elsewhere. Not really. I just want to go have a coffee with him. We so enjoy hanging out together. We love hanging out together. Okay, and I'm going to glue this one down. I don't know what this, I'm just winging it here. Can't say I'm inspired by any video for this one. I'm just trying to get rid of some strips. If you have any ideas on how you use up your scraps, please share. Please share with me. Yeah, as you know, I'm always looking for inspiration. Always. I love getting other YouTubers' inspirational ideas and putting them into my works. Oh, that has something stuck on the back. That's okay. So I'm up to almost 75 subscribers. Can you believe that? I'm shocked, absolutely shocked. I didn't think I'd get more than 10. So I'm absolutely thrilled. Absolutely. Positively thrilled and shocked and floored and very grateful. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love hanging out with you. especially my super fan. You know who you are. My super fan comments on every video. It's so nice. Love hearing from her. Wish we could craft together, girl. Okay, so that's that. I'm just gonna, oh, turn the TV up, honey. I can't quite hear every word. He's in the other room. TV's blaring. That's okay. So now I'm gonna, wonder, is that gonna stay? Better stay. Okay, now I'm gonna trim this off. Just do it with you really quick. It doesn't look like it's sticking so good. Clayton, what's going on? These little junky parts are garbage. Even I can't think of anything to use for them. Okay, I can see that it isn't sticking so great. So what I might do is sew around it. I might even sew every, that might be cool, but then you wouldn't be able to write on the other side. Scrap that idea. Bad idea. Don't do it. Unless this is a journaling card, or a, not a journaling card, a pocket. Could be a pocket. Okay, I want my guillotine. Just gonna grab my guillotine super fast. I want to make it really a nice rectangle shape. I'll make one side straight, and then I'll base everything else off of that. So we know that's straight. I'll line it up with my line. Chunk. Then I'll line this one up. About, let's make it a perfect, line it right up with that. Chunk. Sound effects, just for extra, you know. And I think I'm gonna take off a bit more of that because I'm not crazy about having that much writing. Oh, that looks great. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to round the corners. And I'm going to ink it just because I can. Still could sew around the outside. That way nothing would ever come off. That looks great. Maybe a little on the back. Okay, good. Bada bing, bada boom. And I think I want just a little picture on it. Let's see what we've got. I have this lovely lady. Oh, she's really pretty. But if I would have to fussy cut her, look at her. Isn't she beautiful? I just got these off the internet. You know, there may be copyrights on them. I don't know. But it's not like I'm selling anything, right? This is just for my own fun. I really like her. I think I'm going to try and fussy cut her. No, maybe. I'll be right back. I won't make you watch that. It would be painful. Be right back. Okay, I fussy cut her. She's looking gorgeous. I left quite a bit of border around her because it makes her kind of pop off my card. So I'm going to glue her down. Hopefully Clayton doesn't pull her head off or rip her umbrella off. I have to be super careful. This is tricky. This is tricky. I'm scared. I'm scared! I'm just gonna not glue her umbrella yet. And I'll just put her over there a little bit. That's fine. Then I want to stick this word, memories. Just going to stick that there. and glue her little umbrella onto the top of it. Okay, page is pretty gluey. Can I do it without making it crooked? That is the question. I think so. Okay, that's great. And then I'm just going to, ooh, I don't like that glue stick. It is way too hard to pull across her. So I'm just gonna use this little one. And maybe I can just ever so gently, push. There's her. Oh, I can't either. We'll just call him back. Oh, sorry. Phones are ringing and I don't have a phone in here. There. Okay, we did it. Pretty. And then, I think I'd like a piece of lace at the top for the hanger. Hold on, I'll go get one. Okay, I couldn't find any lace I liked, so I just took a piece of brown cardstock and I used my fancy scissors on it. Has that kind of neat edge. And there you go. That's what I did with my strips, my scrappy strips. So I could sew around it. I think that would look really cool. And then I have another lovely piece for my journal out of scraps. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed the birds and being outside with me and this very short little crafting video. And I will see you again soon, I hope. Bye for now.